Hey guys, it's me, Julia, and in this video, I will be explaining practice test number 1, calculator section, question 38. So, question 37, 38 are together. So, if you want the context of this question, then please watch the video for question 37. I'm just going to go straight into question 38. So, we know Jessica's compound interest. That's our equation. So the College Board was nice enough to give us the equation. So we just need to use that really. So let's read it anyways. Jessica's friend Tyshawn, sorry if I'm butchering the name. I'm really bad with names. Tyshawn found an account that earns 2.5% interest compound annually. So it means it's going to increase by 2.5% annually, which means yearly. So every year it's going to increase 2.5%, 2.5%. Tyshawn made an initial deposit of $100 into this account at the same time Jessica made a deposit of $100 into her account. So from question 37, we know, how much she put in her bank account. She put in $100. Tyshawn is going to do the same thing, $100 into the account, the same time. Key. After 10 years, how much more money will Tyshawn's initial deposit have earned than Jessica's initial deposit? So we need to review the compound interest equations. So that's actually the question type. Compound interest. So we know that it's 100 times the interest rate. So how much it's growing annually. So for Tyshawn, we know that it's growing 2.5%. So it's going to be the X is going to be 2.5%. And then the year at the top. So 10 years, right? That's going to give you the future value. So let me label the rest. So that needs to be initial deposit. That's going to be the interest rate. That's going to be the time, number of years, number of months, and that's going to be the future value. So that's the basis of what we're going to work with. Okay. So let's just bring that somewhere else because you can pause the video to copy it down somewhere, but I'm just going to put it right there. So we know that they both deposited $100 and okay, so in the previous question 37, we know that it's 1.02%. So Jessica's interest rate was 1.02. And that is in, 1.02 means 2% every year. So you just write that in. And the time, 10 years, right? So that's going to be her value if you times everything. But then Tyshawn, on the other hand, is 2.5% interest. So 2.5%, how would we express that, right? It's 2.5% out of 100%, which will mean you need to just slide the decimal point to 0.25. So, oh, but then it's an interest rate. It's something that's added. You're not subtracting 2.5%, so you can't just write 0.025. Aha, 1.025, because this increases by 2.5%. You can always check it by moving the decimal point to, and that would be 2.5%. Well, anyways, times it by 10. Turn this in the way. Okay. And we just need to calculate these two values here. So 100 times 1.02 to the power of 10. That's going to be 121.899. Let's keep it there. 100 times 1.025 to the power of 10. 0.008. Okay. Now we need to know how much money Tyshawn earned. Tyshawn earned more than Jessica. So Jessica's value is the top, 121, and Tyshawn is 128. So we just need to subtract 121.899 from Tyshawn's value, and that will be, so we're going to subtract, that will be 6.11. But here is key. Since this is gridden, you might just you fill in all 4 boxes. You don't want to do that. You need to read the question carefully. Round your answer to the nearest cent and ignore the dollar sign. So don't write the dollar sign, okay? I used to do that. But don't. It's saying ignore it, so ignore it, okay? And round your answer to the nearest cent. So a cent is up to 100. So there's 100 cents in a dollar. So the 100th. So this is basically saying round it to the nearest 100th. But it's just testing you on whether you know the cent. College Board is based in America, so please don't complain about it. It'll be really nice if it's like yen or something, but no. That's going to be 6.109. So rounded to the nearest 100th. So the 100th point, which is this one. And it's going to be 6.11, and that's going to be your answer. Thank you.